What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the automatic repair loop problem you're facing on your Windows PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Experiencing the preparing automatic repair error or encountering the automatic repair loop in Windows can be frustrating. When faced with this issue, your screen might display messages like diagnosing your PC, followed by an error message stating automatic repair. Your PC did not start correctly. To resolve this, your first step is to access the advanced options. This is done by clicking on the advanced option prompt that appears on your screen. Once in the advanced options menu, proceed by clicking on Troubleshoot and then advanced options again. Here, you'll find the startup repair option, which should be your first attempt at fixing the problem. Selecting startup repair initiates a process that attempts to repair startup files that could be causing the issue. Although this process is automated, it may take some time, usually around 10 to 15 minutes. If, after waiting, you find that the issue persists and you're still seeing the blue screen error indicating that the startup repair couldn't fix your PC, it's time to move on to the next method. Returning to the advanced options, navigate through Troubleshoot and then advanced options again, but this time select Command Prompt. You'll be prompted to select your login username and enter your password if applicable. If not, simply continue to the command prompt. At the command prompt, you'll need to type a specific command, sfc/scan now. This command stands for System File Checker. It scans for and attempts to repair any corrupted Windows system files. Typing this command and pressing enter will start the verification process, which can take anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. Once the process has been completed, type exit and press enter. Then select the continue option to restart your system. Upon restarting, if everything went smoothly, you should see the Windows logo and your system should load correctly, indicating that the issue has been resolved. The entire process is a quick and straightforward way to address the automatic repair loop error using tools provided by Windows itself. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.